Okay, this is a quick guide on how to hand work in on Google Classroom. So to begin with, assuming you've opened up your assignment, you should see in the top right hand corner a button that says Add or Create. Now this is for if your teacher has asked you to attach something and upload it onto Google Classroom in response to an assignment. So I'm going to click Add or Create. Now, ideally, you'll have saved your work on the Google Drive. If you have, this is very simple. You just press the Google Drive. If you saved it on your computer, you would go to File. But assuming I've saved it to Google Drive, I just go to Google Drive. Now, Google Smart is going to remember the last thing I did, which is usually going to be the assignment. So I'm going to click on the assignment there. It's going to upload it. And once it's done, I'm just going to hit Hand In. Now, when I press Hand In, it's going to let my teacher know that I finished the work and I'd like some feedback. If you don't hit Hand In, the work will still be on Google Classroom. It's just the teacher won't necessarily know that you finished it yet. Once I've hit Hand In, it will then stop me from carrying on work on that document. So if I did want to make some changes to it, for example, if my teacher gave me some feedback and said, why don't you add an extra paragraph, then to do that, you would first of all need to unsubmit. If you click unsubmit, you'll then be able to carry on working on that document. And same as before, once you finish, you just press hand in again. The other type of work you're going to be doing is when your teacher gives you a template with the assignment. So this is an example where we've got a template with the assignment and that template appears up here. And in this case, what I would do is I would open up that template, I would work on it, I'd answer the questions, and then when I finished answering the questions, I would then hit hand in on here. And the same as before, if I wanted to do anything with it afterwards, then I'd hit unsubmit.